Have you ever wondered why the rich keep getting richer and the poor keep struggling no matter how hard they work? It's not luck, it's mindset. The poor see money as something to spend. The rich see money as something to grow. When a poor person earns $100, they ask, "What can I buy?" When a rich person earns $100, they ask, "How can I double it?" The poor work for money. The rich make money work for them. The poor buy things they don't need to impress people who don't even care. The rich buy assets that earn for them while they sleep. Warren Buffett once said, "If you don't make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die." Poor people trade time for money. Rich people trade money for time. They build systems, businesses, investments, and skills that keep earning when they rest. The poor stop learning when school ends. The rich never stop learning. They read, research, and grow, because one new idea can change their entire life. So if you want to change your financial life, don't start with your wallet. Start with your mindset. Wealth doesn't begin with money. It begins with the way you think.